In Kenya and in Africa in general, we don't have very many courses that are retail focused.
We've been here in Strathmore from Monday all the way to today. We have been going through a leadership program, retail management executive program.
The last 5 days have been transformative, to be very honest. I've learned so much from my other colleagues in the retail space, the challenges they're facing, the opportunities, the growth.
Of course, as a business manager, there are so many topics that I think were very helpful for me. The topic on customer service, because at the end of the day, we are service people. So we also need to train our people on how we can be able to handle different customers in different situations. Again, the issue of inventory was also very important for us.
The benefits have been very many. The first thing is the learnings across the different departments that we shared, from merchandising, pricing, HR, supply chain. There are so many key lessons in each department. And then the other thing was also networking and seeing the challenges other people face vis-a-vis what you face and how they're mitigating it versus how you can borrow and also mitigate it on your end.
The visit to the BBS Mall was quite a good one when it comes into enlightening us and understanding the evolution of retail.
The biggest mall in Eastern Central Africa, the experience of the 15 stores, the spaces, I think it was one of the best experience just to get the feel of that mall, the experience. The CEO had a conversation with us, took us through the history of the mall, the business model that they had. So I think it was also a very good experience from my end.
Anyone and everybody who can be part of this, please register for it. It's impactful, it will grow you, it will challenge you, and you will learn so much knowledge within the retail space.